Hey, good morning everybody, this is Cliff with Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Tampa, Florida. I'm doing a pool deck cleaning here. I got my son with me today, man. He's working with me for the summer on Saturday, so pretty cool to have him out, you know, at the house. My boy ready to get some of that money, you know what I'm saying? So I got him back here about to start downstreaming this pool deck, and then we're gonna start surface cleaning it. Let's go check it out. So this is the pool deck here. All right, now just spread it all the way around. All over the floor. So we're doing the spool deck here. It's my return customer of mine. I did the fence last year and I did the pool deck, but you know what I'm saying, he called me back to get this pool deck straightened out, get ready for 4th of July. So I got my son downstreaming the deck right now before we start surface cleaning it. When you clean over here, clean toward the edge of the surface cleaner, it's on the edge of the dirt. No, come this way, put this left side right here. Yeah, all right, come on. Alright guys, the job is all done. We got the pool deck looking good, man. Thanks to my man right here. Killed it on the job the first day. Alright, we're gonna pack it up and head to the next job. And what's going on? We at the this third job. The second job was kind of small, so we didn't get to film any footage. It wasn't really worth it, so we at this third job here. We're doing these back patios, paver patios for, it's a friend of mine actually. I cleaned this for him about a year ago. So it's due for another cleanup. So me and my son, we're coming out here to take care of him. We're about to get cranked up, man. Let's go. All right, we're gonna take care of this fence for him. It's not even part of the cleanup, but since it's dirty, it's not much, we're just gonna take care of it. All right, got soap coming right now. Guys, just go ahead and hit the whole fence. Don't hit the house, because we're not cleaning this house. So stay control. All right, turn the gun this way. All right. Now you don't gotta get that close. You're just gonna apply the chemical, let the chemical do the work for us. So just coat the hole, there you go. All right, that's good. All right, so we're gonna let that sit, and then we're gonna do the inside. Come on inside. Close this for you. All right, go ahead and coat that. right, that's good. We're gonna let that sit for a little while. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the floor. Right, so see, that's why we don't use pressure, because all the algae is gone. All you gotta do right now is just rinse it off, and everything's gonna come off. You get a little closer. There you go. Get a little closer so you can get that black off the top. Now that ain't gonna come off the top. Probably tar, that's fine. What's that side? That's paint. Here. Just rinse. Alright, so pavers are cleaned up. We just got to get the grass in between the cracks off. So I'm going to be using my turbo nozzle. You know what I'm saying? You show them the turbo nozzle? This is a nice little tool for whenever you got cracks that's full of weeds and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? It gets everything out. So let's go get this side. Let's come over here. All right, we all cleaned up, guys. Got a patio looking good. My man got like a little gym over here, boy. I swear I want to jump on this little set and rep me out with a couple of reps. You know what I'm saying? Big old tires. It's a big boy. But yeah, man, project is looking good. My man's getting ready for 4th of July. We got them laced up. All right, we done for the day. My man over here killed it, you know what I'm saying? He got it in his blood, you know. He got the good genes, man. So how you feel today? How'd it feel to be out in the field?
I feel nice.
Feel nice? Earned $10 in tips today, man. I ain't get no tips, man. You got all the tips today.
I'll be back.
He'll be back. So y'all stay tuned. Peace.